friends, welcome to or back to my channel. But if you're new here and you've never seen this face before, my name is Chaunna and you should definitely subscribe because it took me 5 hours to put this whole thing on my wall. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, I did a collage wall. The Tezza collage kit started to become really popular these last few months. If you don't know what that is, it's by this photographer named Tezza, and she sells these collage kits / coastal kits of large printouts, and you stick them on your wall and you make a collage, da 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 da. And I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers get them. Like every single YouTuber seems to have it on their wall. So I really wanted the coastal kit, and it totaled up to be about $180 Canadian. Which is a lot of money. Like, I'm not saying anything's wrong with her kit. Like, there's nothing wrong with the Tezza collage kit. I absolutely love it. If you're okay with putting the money towards that and you can afford it, then go for it. Like, it's amazing. It's beautiful. But for me, I couldn't justify spending $180 on a bunch of prints that a lot of other people have too. And that's why I decided to make my own collage kit thing. So first, I didn't really know where I was going to find all of these images because the Tezza collage kit comes with 150 prints. And I was like, where am I going to find 150 pictures that I want to put on the wall? So, Pinterest is the spot. And if you want to print out the same prints that I used and you want to match or something, I'll have my Pinterest link down below. I don't really have any good boards on there, so like don't expect some next level Pinterest account. So I printed out 150 pieces of paper to cover my entire wall. You can only see like a small snippet of it. The whole thing's covered here, boys. I went to the library. It costed me 25 cents per page. And in case you're wondering what I used to put these on the wall, I used this removable tape, and it's really handy dandy. So it took about 2 hours to cut out all the prints, and then it took another 5 hours to stick it all on the wall. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll see you at the library, and I'll see you back here at the end of this video. Hope you enjoy! Okay guys, so one, I'm talking quietly because my parents are visiting me and my dad's sleeping, so like I don't want to wake him up. Here are all of my printouts, and now I need to cut 150 pages. Oh, that didn't work. But, ignore the fact I look like a child with my hair braided. I'm going out later and I want my hair to be wavy. But I just finished cutting. Sorry the time lapse cut out, my camera died, and it was just me cutting anyways, so it wasn't that exciting. But like, I'm done now. Look at this fat mess. Oh, also look at my slippers. They're kind of cute. This one lost an eye though, but like this one's still thriving pretty good. These are all of my prints, and I'm so excited. There is a lot. So I just kind of organized them into separate piles just so when I'm putting them up, I don't have like a chunk of like all flowers somewhere. Like I want to make sure they're all evenly spread out. So I did a pile of like shoes / roller skates because I had a lot of those. I did one of like landscape, so like skies and whatnot. This one's just random stuff. That one's old cars because I really love old cars. So that's all that. This one's all flowers. This one's people and like, yeah. And then these are like the yellow quotes because this is kind of what's going to like keep the theme and like the color scheme is those yellow quotes are going to be like spread out evenly. Let's get a nice before shot. Yeah, very blank, very white. Nothing wrong with white, but like very blank. I just realized I suck at time lapse and you couldn't even see that I did the top. My bad. Oops. Let me like fix this. Okay, so my memory card filled up and my camera stopped recording. I didn't really realize, so I did a bit more that you guys didn't get to see, but I'll continue the time lapse now. And yes, I have to go on my tiptoes because it's angled up and I'm really short. Okay. Look at the mess I made. Like, look how many little of these things there are, because with the double-sided tape you have to peel off the other side, so I have like hundreds of these little guys. My fairy lights were supposed to be 33 feet long. See how like the wires doubled? it's tangled in between. So the only way to untangle it would be to cut it. And it's past the return period when I bought them, so I can't return them. So yeah, I don't get the full 33 feet, but it does reach to about there on the other side. But I don't have batteries for this yet, so this is just like the try me button. So that's what it looks like with the lights. Let's do like some artsy reveal or something. So, I don't know if you can tell, but the theme, whatever, was kind of like happy vibes and also things that I love. Like, that's why you just have like Spider-Man, Elvis Presley, Stitch. Also, I have Friends there, Star Wars, Breakfast Club, kind of just things that I like. So there's like these staple yellow ones that have quotes or like something positive in them, and then kind of just like a mix of things. I did a lot of shoes. I don't know why, like rollerblades and shoes. I got a couple of them spread out. Oh my god, I have that twice. Oh my god, I have this one twice. It's also right there. Oh my god. Okay, true. I didn't know I had that one twice. Oops. That one's kind of vulgar if you're a child. Don't read that. Okay, cool. Thanks. I like this one a lot. Also, if you're like underage, don't read that either. Oh my god, I just realized, look, it looks like the Coke bottle is pouring into the pool. That's really cool. I didn't mean to do that. I mean, I meant to do that. I mean, I 100% meant to do that and be that low-key artistic. And we are back. Like, I mean, I didn't move. I just kept talking, but like, now we're back here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun making this whole collage wall. I love it so much, and it already has brightened up my mood in my room. I'm a lot happier in my room. I'm not sad and depressed and crying about school. Like, I mean, I'm still crying about school, but like, if you guys want to use any of these prints, I'll leave my Pinterest down below with that whole board of all the pictures I use. And if you end up printing a couple, maybe not 150, but if you ended up printing a couple for your wall, let me know and tag me or tweet me, whatever. I really want to see it. Anyways, that's kind of all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so